Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Terrain SLT, powered by a 1.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, height adjustable trunk release, automatic headlights, and automatic lights, as well as your heads-up display control, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, that heads-up display you can see in the screen. 15 kilometers, brand new, push-button ignition. We do have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with our gear selectors, the button system. We do have parking sensor, turn on, turn off, heated seats, traction control, lane keep assist. Vehicle has 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive as well. All black interior with Bose audio. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the SLT, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package. Beautiful alloy wheels, Michelin all-season tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry all around, Terrain badging on the front door, color-matched mirror caps. Coming to the front of the vehicle, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, fog lights, front parking sensors, and a camera system in the chrome SLT grille. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows with SLT badging. At the back of the vehicle, we have rear parking sensors, as well as a backup camera, height adjustable trunk release, LED brake lights, and your GMC Terrain all-wheel drive badging. Jumping into the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. Over top, we have a dual panel sunroof as well with LED lighting. We do have dual USB ports, as well as a AC 120 volt watt plug-in down there. Over top, the massive dual panel sunroof, beautiful leather interior. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Terrain. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.